The operation to capture Erusia's capital, Farbanti, is beginning. This is the culmination of our work. We need to capture the Erusian forces' general headquarters in the south of Farbanti and end this war. The plan is for ground troops to attack Farbanti from both the east and north, and a task fleet will attack from the southwest. We will secure air superiority over the capital, while providing air support for our allies on the ground and in the water as required. By all accounts, we expect this to be an intense, full-scale battle across land, sea, and air. Should you need to replenish your ammunition or make necessary repairs to your craft, a return line has been set up in the north. During this operation, we will also be tasked with having to destroy the communications satellites that Erusia hacked. If we take down the information communication system that we believe they have control over, it should plunge Erusia into chaos. Once the capital falls, the Erusian military will be isolated and thrown into chaos, making it easier for us to end the war. However, that can't happen until after the capital falls, so you guys are the stars of this battle. Erusia will fight like a tiger, but we cannot lose. We must seize the capital and end this war.
Strider Squadron, proceed to runway. Sortie ASAP.
Our troops have engaged at Farbanti Reconstruction Park, Silver Bridge, and the submerged area. We need you to help our boys in those 3 locations. This'll end the war. It's time. Commence the operation. Our friends are waiting.
Lately, as your company commander, I felt some of you young bucks coming after our championship belt. You're really putting the pressure on me. So I think I'm gonna go out there and run up the score a little bit. Just to show you guys how it's done. I trust I can count on all you to keep up. Let's get out there, take care of business, and come back in one piece.
Strider 1, your return line is to the north. Head that way if you need to refuel. Good luck, everyone.
Count is back in the saddle of Cyclops 2. It's good to be flying with you again, partner.
Cute. No, it's real funny. Cyclops 2, Fox 2.
Our ground forces are now moving to capture Farbanti Reconstruction Park. They're already engaged with the enemy. It seems the enemy was fast to detect them. They could use some air support.
Our air support has stopped the enemy. Advance on the hospital.
Hostile confirmed destroyed.
Missile.
Missile launched. Vehicle eliminated.
Medic, into the engine! I need them back on the front lines ASAP!
Attacking from behind my target.
Half the enemy's already down. That LRS is doing something.
Missile.
Enemy missile coming at me. Breaking.
Missile.
I'm still airborne, but took damage.
Trigger is splashed abandoned.
Strider 1, the men below you are to secure the Silver Bridge, but they can't break enemy lines. We have aircraft in addition to you, but our numbers are less than ideal.
Straight to the sky. Too bad for those guys.
Target locked.
Target hit.
We need more air support. We can't hold it pretty much longer without it.
Call reinforcement! Damn it! Should have known it sooner! Breaking.
Missile.
These guys cost. My job just got that much harder.
It's not him! We have to retreat!
Enemy backup inbound. Forces are heading for 2 separate combat zones. We need to split our forces in 2 and meet both threats at once.
Trigger, head for either area. Cyclops will take care of the other one.
Roger.
Forward. Keep your foot on the gas.
Catch pal.
Brake! Brake! Careful. The ruins and sunken ships make these waters shallow.
Target acquired.
Okay, Trigger. Mark is all yours. We'll deal with the other threat.
I'll show you all how it's done. Strider 1, missile inbound. Evade!
Vehicle confirmed destroyed.
Missile tracking me. Enemy has a lock on you, Strider 1. Let's do it.
Bomb around is our real issue right now. We see you making 3 strikes during the briefing. Conditions keep changing. This battle is ugly.
Support team, open fire. Roger. Arsenal secured. The Uzi and Big Shots cleared the way.
I know the feeling.
Here they come again. Here's the lead vehicle.
Strider 1, Box 2.
Look at what's left of our forces. Damn that 3 points.
Boy, am I glad 3 strikes are here.
AA gun confirmed destroyed.
We've got flies buzzing around our heads. Don't take your eyes off them. We're evenly matched. It'll be a grind.
Enemy reinforcements on radar. Take them out.
Hostile forces coming near enemy HQ. We don't have enough units to hold them.
Split up. The longer this drags on, the greater our losses.
Roger that. HQ, we're falling back. We don't stand a chance against their air support.
Hold your ground.
They have a lock on me. The missiles have got a lot of armaments.
You never know what's gonna happen in naval warfare. Stay vigilant.
Strider 1, Fox 2.
Strider 1 got one.
Strider 1, target acquired. Strider 1, target destroyed.
The enemy's about to overrun our position. Tighten up the defenses immediately.
That area's all yours, Strider. We'll back up 1 squadron at the Silver Bridge.
Stay on the final wall. Missile, break hard.
Your air support considerably weakened organized resistance from the Erusian army. Operation nearly complete. Just need to see it through.
Understood.
Understood. All right.
Understood. Understood.
Understood.
3 strikes is overhead. Lady Luck's now on our side.
Vessel confirmed sunk.
There's no way we're pulling back now. Lost 30% of our fleet. It's going to be difficult to complete our mission given these circumstances. Insurgents keep coming!
Strider 1, ship set.
Everyone's requesting backup. They'll take forever to get here.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Is your plane holding together?
I don't like the look of things. They're relentless.
Caution.
Stark, there are small boats hiding in the ruins. Take them out before they can approach the fleet. Sink every last one of the enemy ships. The harder the battle, the less likely it goes according to plan.
Hold them! Don't let them through!
Target in gun range.
We don't have enough ships left for organized combat.
We've spotted enemy backup. Check your radars.
Copy. Trigger. It's about time we finished up here and helped other allies in trouble.
You don't need to try and target every enemy. Just keep your focus. Take one down and move on to the next.
The enemy has nearly reached headquarters. They're knocking on the front door.
Strider 1 missile inbound.
Watch 2, eliminating enemy objectives. Watch 2 and 3 are making their way to HQ now.
Target acquired. 5 minutes remaining.
Fall back 900 yards. 3 strikes.
You did really well out there. This is sure to bring an end to the war. You'll be heroes.
Don't know what medals they've got for you, but if you want one, come back in one piece.
Enemy fleet is crippled. Friendly warships should be able to finish them off.
Nice. Target eliminated.
Enemy has a lock on you.
Get your pal.
HQ, powerful AA defense system in the AO. Coordinates Tango 2 and Lima 39.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Let's teach a lesson to those arrogant Ocean bastards.
Missile.
Target acquired.
Get your pal. Destroy the enemy's left fleet and finish the move.
Group 3, contact bandit.
Missile. 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 Missile.
Alright, am I back?
Enemy has a lock on me.
We're gonna make it good. Just a little further, this bridge will be ours. That only scratched me up. Continuing with combat. They aren't as good as the ones on Silver Bridge.
Keep bringing them down.
Target is in machine gun range. Three minutes remaining.
They have a lock on me. Ready? Fire. Just across, give us air support.
Missile.
Strider 1, target acquired.
Strider 1 is back to bend.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Breaking lock. Evading. on bandit. Reduce altitude. Line between the buildings.
In gun range. Strata 1, target acquired.
The enemy's got a lock.
Cyclops 2, Fox 2.
Check the port side. We need to recruit.
Seconds remaining.
Hostile AA gun is down.
Watch that bandit.
Enemy missile chasing me.
Strider 1, that's what I like to see. Fire your next missile. Punch a giant hole in that enemy ship.
All aircraft, listen carefully. This is Lancaster. We have the upper hand. The enemy headquarters is almost ours. Operation to eliminate all enemy satellites also underway. All going according to plan. The end of the war is in sight. Think of something you'd like to eat, guys? Because I'm buying.
Roger that.
Man, don't jinx us.
You're right. New bogies. No, 5 Su-30s inbound.
It's Mr. X.
What's going on here? I don't believe it. We just lost ship 3 and 4. We're taking heavy damage. It's like this monster is toying with us out there. We've got to do something.
LRSSG, we have an emergency order from Mission Command. Bring down Mr. X. I know it's a tall order, but HQ wouldn't ask if they didn't have faith in you.
There they are. It's the snowbirds. The 2 leaders are at a different level. But don't underestimate the rest of them either. This should prove to be fun. What do you mean? It's just like you say. The enemy has experienced fighters in their midst. Not bad. They're as good as Wood says. Although their teamwork is somewhat lacking. Stay focused. You've still got a monster to slay.
Big ship is sunk. Single fighter coming back around.
Don't let Mr. X run wild. Friendlies are suffering heavy damage. Scratch the last escort.
We need to be extra careful. We gotta split up the 2 leaders. Eject while you can still talk. Taking fire.
Missile away. Miss, target's still active.
I have a lock. Lock on. Good night.
In gun range.
Enemy has a lock. Missed. Bandit fire missile. Taking fire.
Fox 2.
Shaking bandit.
This is Cyclops 3. I'm in hit. I gotta eject.
Cyclops 3 is bailed out safely. He's gonna make it.
Missile evaded.
Listen, Trigger, real talk. If we keep this up, someone's not going home. I'll act as a lure. Meanwhile, you shoot down Mr. X.
What?
Shaking bandit. Alright, he grabbed the bait. Time to take him for a ride.
Shaking bandit.
Man, this is one stubborn bastard. He's on my tail, but he won't fire. Waiting for the perfect shot, eh? Sorry, stranger. My boys will let you have it.
Target is hit.
Nice flying. Give him one more. How did that miss? On to 6.
Missile did not connect.
Shaking bandit.
Target acquired. Strider 1, missile launched.
You're quite the entertainer, but the show's over with this next shot. Bad pilot.
Wiseman, missile closing!
I'll keep him on me. Just a bit longer.
Shit. Cyclops 1 is down.
Cyclops Wiseman.
Eject already, Wiseman!
I'm sorry, Count. This plane exploded.
Wiseman, stay strong. We're not done here.
Cyclops 2, you've got the lead.
Wiseman! Shit!
Negative, Cyclops 2, you're the lead.
I can't do it. Trigger should take command.
Duty is yours.
That's impossible.
Do it.
Damn it! Cyclops 4, form an element. We need our top gun if we're gonna take on that bastard.
Wilco count.
Good lord. All we can do is rely on our best pilot now.
Base of action.
Shit! This guy's too tough.
I don't think I can take him on. Caution, caution.
Now I see why he's the king of the skies. Trigger's our only hope. Taking evasive action.
Missile hit.
Alright!
Damn.
Now go finish the job.
Get Mr. X, Trigger. Shoot it down, Trigger. You can do it. In fact, you're the only one who can.
My radar suddenly turned off.
What is it? Respond.
My data won't update.
My HUD is
Damn it.
crashing out.
What was that? I've lost radar contact. What the?
Look at the sky. Towards the sun.
What is that?
A star? No. Maybe an explosion?
This is Soul Squadron. Head home. It's not safe to stick around here if we lose our base.
Listen up. We've just lost our real-time connection with Mission Command. It's not just Mission Command. I'm not getting any response from outside our LOS. Farbanti is now under OCN control. The operation was a success. We didn't get the orders that should have come after the operational success. We'll guide you to the scheduled airport. All aircraft, leave this airspace immediately.
Negative. They've got a debt to pay.
Count, we all feel the same way.
Shit.
So Wiseman died for nothing.
Our troops have engaged their...
This is a peacekeeping force forward base near Erusian territory. Other Allied aircraft have probably been forced to make emergency landings at other airfields. We don't know much. The mission to capture the capital is nearly complete, but we unfortunately have no intel. The enemy communication satellites are down, and we have confirmed the deaths of several Erusian leaders. But our enemy was smart. They had a similar plan. Our own communication systems were destroyed at approximately the same time. We have no idea when or if they'll come back online. Stand by for further details.